Hello, and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James, the Chart Guys. It is Monday, October 2nd. I'm going to do my nightly video on oil. So oil did reject at this longer term weekly downtrend line. And again, if you followed me on oil video that I posted on Thursday, I said that XLE on the weekly, I'm not sure if I shared it in my video, but I shared it in the chat room at least. I said the XLE, the weekly was at the upper Bollinger Band here on the energy sector. And the daily was extremely overbought on the RSI. You can see the daily and how it's overbought here. And so seeing that overbought daily, I was expecting at least some consolidation on the energy sector, which we've gotten. But we did get a lot of pretty big dip buying here today, showing some strength. So what I would look for is a break here of 68.90 on XLE. It may show you what oil is going to do here. And oil, go back to oil, after that rejection on the weekly charts, has continued to have a pullback. Go back to that weekly chart to begin the week here. And this is natural and healthy pullback. We've had some strong weeks here. So we had this nice move up, finally set a higher low. We've been setting lower lows and lower highs, and we broke, of course, to a higher high. So definitely anything above this low here of 45.58, above this higher low, is going to be healthy consolidation on the weekly. So potentially going to look for another test of this downtrend line, and perhaps in the near future we'll be able to break that. But I'm going to be watching XLE and monitoring it closely with oil. Oil on the hourly is having an oversold bounce right now, and oil, much like natural gas on this hourly charts, if you look at natural gas, the hourly charts look very extremely similar. So oversold hourly RSI. Right now it's at that 8 EMA. After the bounce, it's consolidating on that gas. And you can see it on oil too. We're moving really nicely together. Oil oversold bounce right at that 8 EMA consolidation. So if it does gain the 8 EMA, I would look for at least a back test of the 20 EMA hourly, which is at 50.85. And if we're able to gain that 50.85 area, I'm going to start looking at the next resistances here, 51.62, then 51.76. 51.76 is a little bit of a double top on the hourly. If we get above 51.76, because of the big red candle, it's going to not be much resistance until the next resistance level that I'll look at, which is going to be at the low of 52.27, the low of this candle, which is the next resistance I'll look at if we are able to get above that 51.76 area. So if we do get above this 20 MA, same thing. If we can get above this, the high of this bounce attempt here is at 50.63. If we get above that, the next resistance would be at 50.72, then 50.79, and above 50.79, because of this big red candle, not much resistance until 51.30 and 51.34 area. So oil is just an oversold bounce right now. And again, on the weekly, it is healthy consolidation. So in the longer term, oil bulls have nothing to worry about on this pullback. Might be a nice entry here with that XLE strength. And XLE was definitely due for some consolidation. It had a very strong bounce. Had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green weeks, and even having a green week right now as we speak. That upper Bollinger Band looks like it's going to open up here. So as we consolidate here and then it opens up, it could leave some room for the upside. The 20 MA on the weekly is flattening out and could begin to start curling up, helping push the price action here for the energy sector bulls. Have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.